There's mommy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play.
Hey, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And I'm Lincoln.
And I'm Connor.
And I'm Bentley.
And we're Monsters and More. So today we're going to do a tutorial for the 8-foot Boogeyman from Home Depot. This is last year's edition, which they're still selling it this year. And we're going to do a tutorial. We're going to put it together, and then we're going to show you what it does. So if you want one, you can go out and get it for yourself.
So today we have 5 people.
Yes, we got five people today.
We have my nephews helping out today. So, you guys ready?
Yep.
All right.
I don't think the shoes go on first, do they?
No.
It's one of these.
All right. Hole B.
Now, which is this set up right?
Yes.
Yes.
So.
Kobe.
B?
B.
Yeah, B.
All right. Y'all go over and look for the stickers on
Both
them.
B's?
Yep, both B's. Lincoln, here. Put one in there.
You want to put one in?
All right. Next is
You got
going to be
the other
C.
end.
It's going to be
The other
shoes. Lincoln and
You got to line the
Bentley
hose up and then push that, spin it around.
There's
Spin
another.
it around where the hose at. There you go. And then push that pin in and then slide it.
Okay,
There you
I
go.
got C.
All right. C's next.
You know, the C on this side.
Oh.
Both of them C's.
All right, now we're looking for poles, and it's D and E. Probably the right over there.
Yeah, let's see it.
All right, which one's
You
which?
need to go like this.
So if I'm looking at it, D goes right on this side.
All right,
It's like,
Is that D?
spin it around.
And you got a pin right back here, Bentley.
there we go.
Yep, and just make sure it locks. There
All right.
you go.
Connor, get those long. Yep. Lincoln, get the britches.
These are big
There
panties.
you go, just a little bit.
These are really big panties.
Didn't fit you?
No. You probably
There you
fit Bentley.
All right,
That's his whole body.
certainly. Hold that.
Oh.
When he has
Does it like this?
Well, you don't
doesn't
do
it?
the shirt just yet.
There's a fish. There's a meeting. They already got to put their hands on it.
It says it should have a front and a back tag on it.
On the pants?
Yep.
Well, why didn't you say that before we started
I
putting
didn't
it
think
on?
about it.
I don't
actually
see no
just now
front
seen
and back.
it. Oh, it says the back has a Velcro on it. On the very top.
So put them on.
There we go.
It says slide the G pants onto the assembly with a tag at the back of the pants facing towards the back.
What in the world? Where's that go?
I don't know. I don't see it on here. Not unless it's further in.
Well, there's 2 of them in there.
Oh, I bet it goes down his legs. Down his legs.
Look.
See his knees.
This is cool.
Is it possible like that?
I still don't see no Velcro though.
I don't think it really
Just-
matters.
I don't see no Velcro.
What's next?
H is next. No, that's his shoulders.
All right, it'll be all right.
H.
That's probably H over there.
Oh. Yep.
This is his shoulder.
Yep.
Thank you, Chris.
Here's his hand. Okay, now we just need a shirt. Do we need a shirt now?
You think it's time for a shirt?
All right, what's next?
His waist is already on, right?
Yep.
His shirt.
Oh.
There you go.
So I. Is there an eye? Is it eye?
Mhm.
Okay.
You all right? You got it?
This Halloween. Not the arms.
Nope, not yet.
Oh yeah.
Or the silver.
I think it's this J. Is it J?
All right, wait a minute. Here.
Oh, wait a minute. We're supposed to pull his pants up over his.
All right, there we go. What's next?
His shoulders.
J. J. It goes right.
Who is it?
Is
Okay.
it this?
All right, next
Oh.
is you pull this up over this. That's probably where you need a ladder. All right, hang on, Chris. Gotta climb up there.
Ain't this the...
Now, what is it now?
You pull it up.
Pull what? The shirt?
Uh-huh.
Here. Here, I'm gonna put it down through right there. Just pull it through right there. On that side.
After that, I try the arms.
All right, you gotta keep them separated.
It's the size of my arm.
All right, now this is. Remember, this is the.
It's an L.
This is the one that. Remember, his sensor kept coming off last year. All right, so
I
It's
forgot
pulled
we
up.
even had this last year.
Bentley, you're tall. All right, hold it back a little bit. Help him get that up over there. He's getting but you gotta hold it up there a little bit. I ain't tall enough to.
Hold on.
All right, well, right here.
all right,
So that's the...
That's the sensor. That's what Chris is working on.
all right. I got that, but we.
All right, now it's the arms.
There you
Oh,
go.
sorry. Did I
Here,
hit you?
no, you didn't.
There
Here,
we go.
give that one to Bentley because he can probably reach that one. All right, so what you'll do, Babers, these are the ones that come up through it.
They got to go up to the sleeves. Where? Which one's which?
Okay.
That one looks like this.
I'm looking at it.
And
Cody's
it's
over here.
and
Okay.
looks like
Already the way y'all have it.
I'll give him the head. Okay.
We'll lap onto that. So you don't have to beat this.
Oh.
Oh, what about his spine?
Oh yeah, his spinal cord.
Oh, we'll get it in a minute. Let him get his. Y'all go ahead and get the hands. The hands will be next. Y'all grab the
Connor,
hand.
these are yours. This is your job. This is my job.
Now, hold them by this.
Hold on by them.
Yeah. That way we don't pull the wires out.
Move that
this
ladder
is
over. I
his
can't.
head.
I ain't gonna be able to do it on that side.
These are their hands.
Got it pretty. No, look, we're still getting.
And guys, just so you see, you will have to have a ladder to do this.
Yeah. I'm holding the ladder. That way you won't fall.
Well, that's good.
What's next?
Hands, boys. Hands.
There you go.
All right, let's see.
I can
Here,
get up
you
there and
put
put
that
the
in.
head
You gotta
on.
pull that pin out of there.
Yeah, M goes on
There you go. There you go.
I can get up there and put the head on. I'm gonna get up there. Can I get up there and put the head on? That ladder's at least 11 or 12 or 10 feet tall. About 10 feet.
And it should have a piece of Velcro on it. Yeah, it slides through the hose and then you put the clip back on it. You want me to get it? Okay. Hold it back there where you can see it. There you go. And
Then
then,
we're going to.
can you see the hole there?
It's the head.
But then that's not the last
What?
Yeah, plug it in.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Show what it does.
Yep.
The animation it shakes. It shakes, I think. But it shows on
Oh,
there.
yeah. No, it shakes his head.
All right. All right.
Hey, you're the
All right.
plug in.
We got that done. What's next?
The head.
The head's next?
Yeah.
Here, I got to move that ladder.
And then that
This
goes
is
back
just
to-
like my Nintendo's
They're just like your Tendo plug. Yeah. And don't forget his back piece.
All right. Y'all hold that ladder for me.
Know what we're doing.
So we just
Yeah.
need
show
this.
what the-
Well, we're gonna get ready to move it anyway.
What, this?
We
Uh-huh.
just have to
I'll
do
have to
a
take it around.
spine, and then
All right.
I got the wire. Oh, I got the wire.
Well, you've got the timing.
Oh yeah, I got the wire.
Yeah. Lincoln's got the plug in.
Login.
I got a plug.
I got a plug right here.
Oh, there it is.
I got a plug.
More like shorter.
I got a plug.
That's awesome.
So
What do you think about him? Cool?
yeah, I like the glowing hands. I like the glowing hands. I love the glowing hands. That's crazy.
3 different phrases, 5 different phrases is what it speaks.
Spooky.
Here we go.
So here he is.
So what did you think about him?
I really like him. I like how his hand glows and that his eye glows. And
What do you think?
I like when he like talks.
You like when he talks? Yeah, it's
Has
pretty
that-
freaky, ain't it? So what about you? What did you think about him?
I like how it didn't like take as long as I thought it would.
Yeah, it's about 30 minutes probably is what it took us.
no.
Yeah, it's not.
And it was already starting to get a little bit dark on us, so it's not.
Yeah. Started at a bad
But we
time,
give it,
but-
what, 9.5 out of 10?
We think
Yeah.
now.
I mean, it's very easy.
9.5. 9.5.
A 10 out of a 10?
All right.
I like it. I give it a 9.5.
Yep, 9.5.
I get 10 out of 10.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining us.
Yes.
Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
See ya.